Assalamualaikum, I'm SYAMIL bin Ahmad KAMARUL HELMY from University Technical Melaka. I'm presenting on behalf of my team, which is TS Dr. Muhammad FAUZI bin MAMAT, IKMAL HAKIMI bin BADRUL HISYAM, IRTS Dr. LAILATUL HARINA binti PAIJAN, and also Prof Madya IRTS Dr. Muhammad HADZLEY bin BAKAR for this International Research and Innovative Technology Competition. And our title is Bahan Perencat Hijau. So, corrosion is currently a problem that causes significant damage to metals such as carbon steel. Because of the constant exposure to seawater on an oil and gas platform, corrosion occurs when carbon steel crack and react electrochemically with its environment. Using a green inhibitor is one of the steps that can be taken to prevent carbon steel from corroding. Green inhibitor can increase the lifespan of the carbon steel by decreasing or avoiding corrosion. First of all, the introduction of our project is most metals suffer from corrosion. Apart from that, corrosion can lead to loss of life and economy. Moreover, it is inevitable and ongoing but controllable, and by controlling the corrosion can make sure the metal has a longer lifespan. Next, for the problem statement, many efforts are being made to prevent huge loss in corrosion of metal in automotive, marine structure, oil and gas and aerospace industries, such as by adding inhibitor as corrosion protection in marine and acidic environment. While the most popular application is inorganic inhibitor, and the compound are very expensive, toxic and dangerous, thus affect the human and environment. Need to design and produce green inhibitor from plant, leaves and etc., which are almost cheap, green and environmentally friendly, are able to effectively retard the corrosion. This is the comparison between inorganic inhibitor and organic inhibitor. For the inorganic inhibitor, it contains toxic, expensive and environmentally harmful. Compared to the other, which is inorganic inhibitor, it is eco-friendly and non-toxic, cheap and readily available, and also environmentally friendly. Next, for the green inhibitor mechanism, chemical substance that used when present in the corrosion system, inorganic compound that absorb on the metallic structure to isolate it from its surrounding media to stop the oxidation reduction process, create their inhibition by absorbing their molecule on the metal or alloy surface to form a protective layer. Suitable concentration can decrease the corrosion rate without change the concentration of corrosive agent. As you can see, there are two different figures. The first one is the absence of the inhibitor, and the second one is the presence of the inhibitor. The inhibitor will absorb on the low carbon steel and act as a barrier on the low carbon steel to protect the metal. Now we go to the extraction process of galangal. For the first step, alpinia galangal extract was cut and put inside the blender. Next, the extract was boiled with 1 liter of deionized water within 1 hour. After that, the extraction was filtered without fiber composition to gain extraction juice that are ready to be inserted into the oven. The juice was put into the laboratory oven at 50 degrees for 96 hours and constant at 85 degrees for 24 hours. And then we will get the alpinia galangal extraction in a liquid form. For our fabrication process, in order to produce a layer of green inhibitor protection, 5 liter of 0.5 molar HCl media will be mixed with the 40 gram of alpinia galangal extraction, and it will become a layer of protection on the low carbon steel. Our product come out with 3 novelty. The first one is green material and safe. The chemical composition is plant waste. Next is act as barrier of coating to increase the lifetime of carbon steel with layer of thin film. The last one is corrosion behavior and cost to reduce the corrosion rate and issues.
For the green inhibitor performance, this slide shows a table that included samples that have been immersed with or and without green inhibitor. This table shows the result for day 7, day 14, day 21, day 28, and lastly day 35. The amount of ferrum in sample that immersed inside the green corrosion inhibitor is lowest because covered and protected by the adoption of Alpina Galanga extraction to protect the metal substrate. Okay, the figure shows the surface studies without inhibitor and also inside green inhibitor. The graph of weight loss measurement for sample immersed in 0.5 molar HCl solution for 7, 14, 21, 28 and 35 days with and without Alpina Galanga extraction green inhibitor shows the first, great performance of green inhibitor shows the lower weight loss measurement. Second, without green inhibitor shows the higher weight loss due to unprotected metal substrates in 0.5 molar HCl. The graph of corrosion rate for sample immersed in 0.5 molar HCl solution for 7, 14, 21, 28 and 35 days with and without Alpina Galanga extraction green inhibitor shows the first, great performance of green inhibitor. Second, without green inhibitor shows the higher corrosion rate compared to green inhibitor solution. The formula for corrosion rate is Kw/ATD. This infographic shows the evaluation of Alpina Galanga extraction as an eco-friendly corrosion inhibitor for carbon steel in 0.5 HCl medium. Okay, first we need to turn Galanga into a solvent and extraction. Okay, next we run FTIR analysis to know the mechanical compound. Next we run the immersion test to know the result. We also run corrosion rate and also weight loss measurement to comparing the result. Lastly, we will run SEM and EDX analysis to know the surface study. Potential commercialization for our product is in pipelines, oil and gas equipment, off and onshore structures, and also metal structures.
For the status innovation of Alpina Galanga extraction, according to the technology readiness level, the Alpina Galanga extraction was in the TRL5, which is the extraction technology validated in the relevant environment. For the market potential, this is some of our memorandum of understanding and LOI with other companies such as I-Ritec Supply and Services, Malaysia Marine and Heavy Engineering Sdn Bhd, UWC Berhad, Teras Tegap Agrotech Sdn Bhd, and also I-Petrol Services Sdn Bhd. And these are the copyright of our research that have been approved by the agencies.
These are the journals that have been published. On the left, it is about the evaluation of Cucurma domestica loir and Alpina Galanga extract as an eco-friendly corrosion inhibitor for carbon steel in 0.5 molar HCl medium. On the right, it is about evaluation of neem and papaya leaves extract as an eco-friendly corrosion inhibitor for carbon steel in 0.5 molar HCl medium.
These are the innovation competition that have been participated. For Eureka, we got Gold Award. For I-Complex, we got Gold Medal. And for C-Trex, we got Silver Award.
This slide shows why green inhibitor is an eco-friendly corrosion inhibitor. Okay, first, extraction from green material and reduce the cost and energy. Okay, second, reduce global warming and climate change. Lastly, no harmful of gas emission. Okay, for the conclusion, first, Alpina Galanga extraction showed good potential as green inhibitor corrosion. Second, amount of rust on the carbon steel coupon reduced towards the weight loss decrease. Lastly, corroded coated with Alpina Galanga extraction showed lower corrosion rate compared to without inhibitor coupon.
And that's all from us. Thank you.